Alright, so here we go again. I don't know if I'm going to actually do this, but I don't know. We'll just have to find out. It's a really hard song. I can't really, do anything that great on it. So, just trying to get the right angle. Alright, that should be good. I hate this song so much. I don't know why I made it. I'm just going to try to beat it. I don't know if I can. I don't know if it's even possible. But I'll try it anyways. Because you never know. You never know what can actually happen. You can get an FC on this song. You never know. FFR has been kind of slow for me today. So, I don't know if you can see that well. Hopefully you can. Hopefully you can hear the music too, because I turned it up really loud. So, come on. It's been really slow today, I know. This is probably going to be a first try thing. I don't know if you can see my hands. Sort of. Oh well, I'll have to do it. Oh my gosh, come on. Load. That was not, come on, that's not funny, FFR, come on, load. We're just going to see how long this takes. Alright, looks like it's not taking that long anymore. Jacks are crazy. Yeah, those jacks just mess me up all the time. Oh my god. Stupid files. Yes, that's real. Well, I tried my best, but it didn't work for me. So, yeah. Cool.